Welcome coders. In this video we'll learn about iterators and iterables of Python. Now iterators and iterables of Python, they are associated with looping and generators. Now we will go into the details how iterator and iterables looks like and how we can create our own iterators and what are the fundamental facts that we should know about these two topics. First we will start with iterables. Now what are iterables? Iterables are any object on which we can iterate or on which we can loop over. For example, list, dictionaries, strings, files, they are iterables because we can use a loop to extract the data inside a list. Okay. Now, any iterable object will have a special function, or you can say a special dunder, that is called iter. Now, if we invoke an iter function using a list, it will return an iterator. An iterable object do not have next method, therefore we cannot use next method on a list or on a dictionary. So let's move to a Jupyter notebook and I will show you the demonstrations of the points which I have explained in this slide. So we have started our Jupyter notebook. First I shall start with lists. I will declare a small list. Let's say I gave it a name called my list equal to, I have given some elements, that is 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I will declare one dictionary also. Let's say my dict, and there is a key called country and the country name is India. Okay. Now we have a list and we have a dictionary. Now if we want to know the associated functions that are attached with this list and a dictionary, then we can use a inbuilt method that is called dir. The argument that we will pass, that will be our list name. So here we have our list name, that is my list. So I have copied this one and I have pasted it, and you can see it will display all the associated functions that are already present with any iterable object. So in this case our iterable object is our list. So you can see in list we have a special dunder called iter. Okay, so this is one of the properties of iterables. Now another property of iterable is that we can loop over to extract the elements that are present inside a list or in a dictionary. So if I use a for loop, for I in my list, and if I want to print it, we can print. So we can get the special function, the special dunder, that is called iter, and also we can loop over an iterable. So these are the two primary properties of any iterable.